Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, my cat is almost making my phone to fall. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna be telling you business ideas that you can start small. So they are not just necessarily small. These are ideas that you can actually start with as little cash as you have, but you can grow them so much later in life, depending with the cash flow that flows to the business, how much you manage your profits. And this is a business that has a very high potential of growth, yet you can start from as little as 10,000 shillings. So in case you're interested with that, definitely stick around because I'm gonna be killing this.
I wanna hear you sing it. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home.
So the first business idea that I'm gonna start with is a fast food shop, because this one is the best. So in case you're in a big town, this could be one of the best ideas to do, because in big towns there are many people. Definitely if you start a fast food, you will get so many customers, and this is a decent job that you can actually start with as low as 10,000 shillings, because mostly when it comes to fast food, the foods that most people sell are chips and also smokies and samosas. You can start with that, but with time you're definitely going to grow your fast food. You can restock and maybe add things like juice, sodas and all that. But this is an idea that you can start small with as little cash as you have. The good thing with fast food businesses is that you can actually manage it very simply. You can make it your full-time job. This is something that actually makes so much profit right now, because every time people will have to eat. You can never ever go wrong with a fast food business. And obviously when it comes to business, the location of your business is everything. Another small business idea that can grow with time is bakery. So when it comes to bakery, you can actually start from wherever you are, from what you have. You can start by baking cakes and selling them to shops. Unazungusha tu. You can bake cakes, queen cakes and all that. Just go around shops and give it to them. That's what I see people doing. Alternatively, if you have some little capital, you can rent a shop whereby you will be baking cakes and selling in that shop. With time, you're definitely going to grow. When it comes to this kind of a business, you have to advertise yourself online if you want to grow. So for every cake that you bake, you take a picture, you post to your friends on WhatsApp statuses, Facebook, Instagram, and from there you're going to get orders. So that's how you start this kind of a business. With time, you might find yourself getting so many orders that you will need to make to have a team whereby you'll have to pay people to help you to bake this kind of cakes. For example, when you get wedding gigs, birthday parties and all those kind of events. So cake baking is a skill that I feel you should learn, because it's something that can actually help you, and you don't need to open a shop. This is something that can actually be a side hustle. Another business idea I figured out is daycare, because this one you can do at the comfort of your home. So if you want to start a daycare and you don't have maybe a rented space, you can actually start from your home. So what you do is maybe you spread the word. You can maybe have placards and announce that you're offering daycare services, and start with the kids in the neighborhood. You can start with as little as 2 children, and then now you have to fix charges for yourself. For daycare, you don't even need to start with any capital, as long as you have a mattress, because kids will love to rest maybe in the afternoon, and also as long as you have gas cooker whereby you can maybe unachemsha food ya hawa watoto. When it comes to daycare, you have to plan and have your rules for the business, because saa zingine hii inaweza kupeleka. So whereby whenever someone wants to leave their kids, you have to give them the guidelines, like they have to leave food for the kid and all that. Your work is to just look for for the kid the entire day, take care of the kid. And yeah, you can start from anywhere. You can start with your house. So don't stay jobless in your house just like that. You can definitely start with the kids in the neighborhood. I've done a video on business ideas for stay-at-home moms, stay-at-home women. So in that video, I've explained how you can start a daycare business. I'm going to put a link in the description to that video or here, so that you guys can check that video out, how you can start a daycare business. Another business that you can start from very little is events planning. So for events planning, you can start with decor, whereby you just your work is to decorate and maybe kuweka maua and all those things, balloons. Let me tell you guys, this is something I've done and it's one of the best business ideas. You don't even need to start with anything. As long as you know how to decorate, you don't even need capital, because if you start like I did, you will be decorating seats and the where the event will be hosted. So what you do is to price. So whereby your only job is to decorate, so you don't come with tents or anything. So if you price, let's say 20,000, you tell the owner of the event that they have to pay a deposit of 10,000. You use that 10,000 to buy the flowers, the balloons, and all those things. So you see, you don't even need anything to start this business. All you need is the skill. So as long as you have that skill, of which you can teach yourself, there are many Facebook groups that you can join and they are going to teach you this skill. As long as you have this skill, you're good to go. This is a business idea that is booming. It has a lot of money, because imagine if you charge somebody to decorate their event 20K, and then all you spend is 10K to buy the flowers and all those things. The other 10K is your profit. And also, depending, you can buy, if you buy live flowers, of which many people will prefer live flowers, isasa you cannot recycle them. But if you're using plastic flowers, once you buy the plastic flowers once, you will never buy them again. Ukibuy is a purple ni hivo, ukibuy is a blue ni hivo, you see? So this is a very good business idea, and with time you can grow very easily, because you can have now your tents, your chairs, plates. Also you can have your MCs, whereby whenever you are hired, you have your MC. You can have the system and also a DJ, such that ukiitwa event, you come with everything, including the photography. Your event unakuta unalipwa 200K and you will provide every service. Like, that is a new level of events planning. But definitely you can start from zero, whereby your work is only to decorate flowers. With time you can grow. That's what we call business, becoming a business lady or a businessman, Another one that is very good that you can start from scratch is content creation. Okay, right now almost everyone is a content creator. We are not going to hide. We are not lying about this. So definitely you can also try to venture into content creation, whereby you can go to TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, create content there, expose yourself. If you want to succeed with content creation, you have to be consistent. Sio unakuja leo, unapotea kesho kama mimi, unarudi tena. You have to be consistent. That's why you're seeing, guys, lately I've been posting almost daily, because I want to be consistent. I want you guys to know that I'm here to stay. So if you want to be a content creator, definitely you have to be consistent. Post each and every day so that you can grow. If you don't post every day, definitely you're not going to grow. You cannot make it in this field. We need someone who is here to stay. I don't know, if you don't do that, people are going to forget about you. Remember, if you're not famous, definitely people are going to forget you easily. But if you want to start content creation, let this be your side hustle. Isikuwe tegemeo lako, because this one has a lot of ups and downs, and it's not a guarantee that you will be famous, I always encourage you guys to start a YouTube channel. Definitely it's also content creation, but if you start a YouTube channel, just know that it is also going to take a lot of time before you can make a coin on YouTube, especially if you're not famous. If you're famous, if you have a lot of followers on Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, definitely you can easily make it in these streets. But if you're not, you're going to take time. But patience is everything. With time, you're going to make so much money and you're going to be happy. So content creation is a good business idea, which is small, but it can grow to be so big with time. If you watch people like Miss Trudy, they are going to inspire you because she usually keeps telling her story. She started from nothing. Nobody knew her. And right now, she's building houses with YouTube money, buying cars, making trips, relocating. So content creation is so promising as long as you're patient, because for her it took like 4 years before people can notice her. So definitely if you're patient enough and consistent, Mungu tu anakujanga, God will come through for you, you know. So another business idea that can make you money is a clothes business. Also for this one, that is a boutique. You don't need to start with a lot of capital. Unaweza anza na second hand clothes, and then you can grow with time. And also another good thing with clothes, there is no way people will stop dressing. There is no time that people will stop buying clothes. Of course, you will find there are peak seasons for clothes like Christmas, Easter, like all those times that we have holidays. But obviously clothes can never ever go wrong, because si ati nguo zina expiry date. As long as you select very good clothes, the perfect clothes that will not go out of fashion anytime soon. Because obviously also if you're selling clothes in fashion, definitely then you need to locate yourself in an area that has a lot of population, whereby nguo zitakuwa zinaenda kuenda, because ukijilocate vibaya pia you will have a hard time in these businesses. But boutique can never ever go wrong. Another business idea is travel planning. Right now, travel agencies have become a thing, and you can start your travel agency with the local travel, whereby wewe tu ni wa kuorganize tours za hapa tu in the country. Know the hotels in your location. You can start with where you are, and then with time you will definitely grow. So unaweza anza na location yenye uko, you have friends, start marketing yourself to your friends. Everything about business is marketing. You cannot succeed if you're not marketing yourself. And then with time you will get exposed, you will get more profit, expand your business, start going international. Within no time you will find you have a very big travel agency. If you listen to these big travel agencies like Bonfire Adventures, they started locally, and with time they grew. Right now they organize trips outside the country, outside the continent. You just need to be patient and consistent in your business. Another business idea that you can start small and actually grow is makeup artist. That's one I know out of experience. For makeup artists, you just need to start with making up yourself. Just make yourself up, post your pictures on social media, post your pictures on your WhatsApp status, market yourself, because sahi uko na two makeups zako, so all you have is you. Become your own model. Do good makeup and post. You don't even have to start with a very expensive makeup. Start with good makeup that will last the whole day. Post yourself, market yourself. Once you start getting gigs, ukipata gig ya kupaka mtu, unanunua hiyo shade ya foundation. One thing you will realize is that you don't need to have all the types of foundations, all the types of ponds. Have zenye ziko hapo katikati, such that you can blend in makeup and come up with all skin tones, you see. And it's a very good business idea, only that for makeup also it has peak seasons. You will find that maybe mwaka ukianza kumetulia, and then now as the year grows it booms. So this is not a full-time business. You can make this a part-time business. I would not advocate for full-time business, although I don't know, maybe there are locations where you find this one is booming from January to January. So it depends with your connections and also how much consistent you are, because everything is about consistency and patience. Another business idea I'm going to talk about is photography, because this one is a very nice business to do. If you're located in towns, definitely street photographers are all over. You can actually make money with photography, so much money, and you only need to start with a camera. Also, if you're located in universities, you will make money with this one. All or near colleges, this one you'll make so much money with it. So you can start with that, become a street photographer, and with time you're going to grow. You can actually grow and build your own studio. So photography is also a business that you can start small and become big with time. Also, once you grow your studio, definitely uanze kupata events kama weddings, birthday parties, rural shows, all those big weddings. You will definitely make it. And the good thing with being your own boss is that you place your own charges, you price your things, and nobody, you are your own boss, nobody is bossing you around. So photography is also a good business. Right now many people want great photos, and also you can start doing hard copies for the photos. You know, you can grow your business to anything. You can even combine your studio with a cyber. There are so many ways you can do this, so many ways you can actually make money with photography. So in case you have any question, definitely ask me in the comment section. I will reply to you. In case you need any help, I am at your call, guys. I'm really waiting for you to ask any question. Definitely, I love engaging you guys. So tell me what you think about this video in the comment section down below. I will definitely be chatting with you. Also, in case you want to talk to me, you have to talk to me. DM me on Instagram. I'll put in the description a link to my Instagram so that you can DM me, talk to me via inbox. I'm listening to you guys. Thank you for the support so far. Make sure you like this video. It really encourages me. So don't forget to leave a like in this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video up to this end. And I'm hoping to see you guys in my future videos. So in case you've not subscribed, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a video, you will get notified. I post so many informative videos and you don't want to miss on those. Okay, yeah, until next time, hoping this video was useful, hoping it was informative. Definitely I've done so many business ideas. You can check my other videos in the meantime before I can post another one. Until next time, I'm hoping to see you guys in the next video. Bye 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 bye.